Ever wonder how to effortlessly transfer information within Infosys, boosting both your speed and your performance? Let's dive into the fundamental skill of copying and pasting. First, let's talk about copying text. Position your cursor at the beginning of the text you wish to copy. Click and hold your mouse and drag it to select the desired text. Once selected, you have a few options. You can then use the keyboard shortcut or right-click on the selected text to access a menu where you can select copy. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut, hold down the Ctrl key, and at the same time, press the C key. That's it. Now, the text is successfully copied. Ready to paste your copied text? Navigate to where you want that text to appear. Place your cursor where you want the copied information to appear. Right-click to open the menu and select paste, or use the keyboard shortcut, hold down the Ctrl key, and at the same time, press the V key. Now, handling files. Copying files within Infosys is just as straightforward. You can right-click on any file or folder you want to replicate from the menu that appears. Choose copy. After that, you will need to locate the desired destination folder. Then, right-click within the destination folder and choose paste. This will create a copy of the original file in the specified location. Remember, copying ensures you have a solid foundation of understanding. Mastering these copy and paste techniques makes your tasks easier, boosts your efficiency, and makes you a more valuable asset at Infosys. So, keep practicing and watch your productivity soar.